Hello, my name is Quint McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Before we get started with the truck, please like and subscribe to this video, as well as go to our website, iptruck.com, take a look at our inventory as we're continually updating them daily. I'm super excited to present to you today the 2021 Isuzu NPR HD Gas Crew Cab paired with a 16-foot box from Brown. Now, most of you will be very familiar with the Isuzu brand, being the king of the cab over for well over 35 years here in North America, boasting over a 75% market share in most all 35 of those years. And they do it by having a trusted, reliable, and durable brand. They've even gone so far now as to, with this gas engine, they've upgraded it from the 6.0 liter to the 6.6 liter, giving you more power and more durability going down the road. It's also backed by a 5-year, 150,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles worth of oil changes. So not only is it proven with a long track record, it's also backed by the factory warranty and service here at Industrial Power, where we have over 30 years of Isuzu experience. Now again, this will be a gas crew cab, an NPR HD, which is 14,500 GVW, which is well below the CDL range, while still giving you plenty of payload capacity to get your product and people from point A to point B, as well as giving you 7 seat belts, which means you can legally haul 7 people in this cab. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this truck is its cab over design. That literally means the cab is over the front engine or front axle or over the engine, which gives you a couple really nice inherent qualities such as maneuverability, visibility, and serviceability. Now, a lot of people are kind of worried about, with this being a crew cab, not having that full tilt cab design, but you also have engine access from inside the cab, which is right in front of the back seat. So you have plenty of ports to access those engines for serviceability. And in fact, visibility, you'll have an 8-foot driver to ground visibility rating, which is far superior to its conventional competitors. Some others are also kind of concerned about it being a cab over design, not having a lot of room and a lot of space for its passengers. Isuzu's done a really good job of putting together this cab so it's nice and roomy for not only the driver but also the passengers alike. Here in the back seat, again, you'll have 4 persons back here with 4 seat belts, so you can legally haul 4 people back here. And again, the engine component access points are here, so this just unsnaps and you can access the engine. You'll have a nice rugged duty floor mat, so if you do drag any kind of soot or mud inside, it can easily be taken out and cleaned. So again, longevity is the key to this truck. We'll take a look at the front here. Getting in and out of this truck is extremely easy. And again, you'll be sitting on a captain's seat here for your driver and a 2-man bench. This particular model will have power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, which is a really great option if you have multiple drivers in and out of this truck, so he can adjust his sight lines from inside the cab and actually make sure he does it pre-trip. AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth is standard, as well as, of course, your AC, and it is an automatic ICE transmission, so it's literally a turnkey, put it in drive and go operation. Multi-information dash display here will give your driver some critical data points while also keeping his eyes straight forward. And again, that great visibility. So if you're going in any kind of cul-de-sacs or tight turning warehouses, what have you, you can easily see in front of you and make sure that you're operating this truck safely. Let's take a look at the back of the truck here. Now, if the cameraman take a really good look at the side frame, I point this out because we can easily, here at Industrial Power, put on a toolbox or any other kind of cage system to make sure that you can get your tools safely to the job site. It will, of course, be a spring ride and juice brake operation. And also, I want to point out, a lot of people just see a 16-foot white box going down the road. But here in Industrial Power, we see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by putting a simple decal system or a full customizable wrap. You can literally make this truck a rolling billboard for your company. It will be a 16-foot box from Brown Manufacturing. They're a new partner for us, and they've done a really exceptional job of delivering on time and supporting their product. We can also, here at the body shop, work on any kind of dents and dings you may have on this truck mainly corner caps, front radiuses, even full skin replacements. We can do that here at the body shop. So we're literally a 100% one-stop shop for all of your truck needs. I do want to point out that this truck's going to have a nice pull-out ramp, and it's a super versatile setup. So we can either keep it as a pull-out ramp here, we can add a lift gate, or for your landscapers out there, we can actually put a dovetail system here in the back, here in Industrial Power, negate the pull-out ramp, and make this a awesome truck for your operations. I also want to point out the inside here. It's going to be a really nice design where it has slat lines, hardwood floors. Now keep in mind, this is kind of a blank canvas for us, because here in Industrial Power, our body shop can make this whatever kind of configuration you want. If you need E-track, we can add that here. If you want plywood line, the 3/4 inch plywood line for our landscapers, we can replace the slats with that plywood line, and again, make this just the perfect vehicle for your operation. So I think we've done a really good job. Take a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website. Again, that's iptruck.com. Put an inquiry on this truck. One of our salespeople contact you directly. And again, like and subscribe this video so you can continually keep up to date with all of our rolling inventory. Thank you and have a great day.